To solve such an equation, we focus so much on the bases. Now the base here is base 3, and the operator there is a minus. So therefore, we obey the law of logarithm that says log base a of a minus log base a of n is the same as log base a m out of n. Then we go ahead to have log base 3 of x plus 1 out of x minus 2. So is equal to 2. So we can go ahead and write it in index form. We go ahead and write it in index form. So it becomes x plus 1 out of x minus 2 is equal to 3 to power 2. So after we can simplify 3 power 2, so we have xc plus 1 out of xc minus 2 is equal to 9. So after having that, we can cross multiply. So we can have xc plus 1 is equal to 9 into x minus 2. So after having that, we can go ahead and expand. So we shall have 9x minus 18. So after having that, we can collect like terms together. On collecting like terms together, we can have 1 plus 18 is equal to 9x minus x. Don't forget to like, subscribe if you are new to this channel as we simplify this. So you have 19 is equal to 8x. So divide through by 8. Share with your friend such that we understand together. Therefore our x, so getting our x here, so our x is equal to 19 out of 8. Don't forget to share it with your friend and we learn together. We meet in the next. Thank you.